Hey everybody, welcome to another video. We are out here on the KLX351 today. And we are going to be doing some off-road training. As you guys can see in the past few videos, I've been hitting the trails. And the last video, go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. We came across some trial stuff, and going over it, I realized, hey, if I could get down a couple of moves here on the KLX for this, I'd be a lot better at going over some of these obstacles. And of course, I want to continue to improve my riding skills, so today that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and look for this dirt, I guess, pit, kind of like a sand pit, but not sand, dirt. And I'm hoping I can get into it. I have a couple of places that I'm going to look at. We're on a dual sport here, and as long as it doesn't say no trespassing, I think we're okay. It is a hot one today, 100 degrees. Let's go ahead and fill up here real quick. $2.88. Oh man, this bike's gonna make me go broke. Today I want to try and work on popping the front wheel up over curbs, because that will help with logs and concrete pipes, rocks, and in the corners I want to continue working on leaning the bike over, foot out, eyes up, using the clutch a little bit to control my momentum. Those things will help me as a rider off-road. KLX almost sounds like a Harley going by that wall. Don't hate me too much, Harley guys, down in the comments. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, go ahead and check out the video. I'm selling my FZ-09 for a number of reasons. But recently I've been riding it on the highway, and I kind of realized that it's actually kind of uncomfortable, even more than the KLX. The KLX, yeah, you get hit with the wind, but the wind doesn't really feel like it's pushing you back at all. The FZ-09, when you get up to cruising speed, it feels like it's pushing your head back. Now if it was your chest, it'd be alright, but when it's pushing your head back, it kind of makes your neck and arms tired trying to hold on to the bike. Alright guys, here we are. Hopefully what I saw on maps is true. There's something around here that I can get on. Hopefully it's not all fenced up. That was a bust. That over there is wetlands, swamplands. Man, that would have been a fun time if I went into that. Tri-County Gun Club. Well, this is not a road. let's continue going down this road and see if we can't find something. Alright, well, both of the places I thought I found were both construction sites, so let's get on that off-road training, shall we? Hill climbs, baby. Gee, 100 degrees and the KLX is still running pretty cool. Although, I think an extra fan would be of use. One that I could turn on manually with a switch here. On the left radiator, I think that's where I'd put it. That way I could have a fan that I could turn on manually and then still have the stock fan to come on if the temperature ever did reach. I think it turns on at like 205, something like that. Alright guys, made it to our spot here. Let's go practice some cornering. Forward on the seat. There you go, using the clutch a little bit to control forward momentum. So as you guys can see there, trying to lean forward more on the bike or move my weight towards the front wheel so that way it doesn't wash out in the corners. Trying to use the clutch a little bit too to control momentum throughout the corner. Foot down, coming out sideways, leaning the bike over, getting better. Now let's go ahead and get to the other spot here to practice some curb hopping. Alright guys, here we are, good old Toys R Us lot. Trying to work on hopping over things here. So I get to the curb, bounce the forks, and get the front wheel over the curb. There we go. We only hit rear wheel on that one. Not enough juice on that one. Plenty of juice on that one. Let's go ahead and set up an outside GoPro so you guys can see here. Alright guys, well that is going to conclude our off-road training for today. Well, almost. There we go. That time the bars didn't get shoved into my face, and I like that a whole lot. I made some progress on a lot of items. I'd say that I probably made the most progress on cornering and hopping over stuff in first gear. First time I tried that method, using first gear, compressing the fourth, getting on the gas to try and get the front wheel up over obstacles. So that's good that I improved on that, considering that is the first time I tried it. Cornering, I have done that before, but tried out some new techniques. Sitting further forward on the bike to help prevent front end washout. Leg out, leaning the bike over, coming out of corners sideways. Of course, every time I do it, I get better and better. Especially where I did it, there's no ruts or anything, so usually the ruts or berms help with cornering. So the better I can get on flat ground, the better I'll be with ruts and berms. Second gear clutch ups, still kind of the same there. I really just need to give it more gas. Working on breaking old habits, like leaning forward when I'm trying to wheelie. I have a few more places to check out around here, and hopefully one of them will be a place where we can hoon the KLX. But that is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. We're working on something here, and hopefully it comes to fruition in a few weeks. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch, my competition is no